IE. IE these days are really going crazy, and yeah, we're gonna talk about it in this video. So, first thing first, I will say that ChatGPT is only the iceberg, like the side that is visible from this, but the iceberg here, as you see, is way, way bigger from down, which means, which means we're gonna discover in this video four websites that already been launched, and they will amaze you as they might solve many problems from your side. So I will try to make it here and let's see it together. First of all, I wanna introduce you to a new tool. It's here on Chrome in my Chrome browser, and it's really efficient if you wanna search about something really specific. For example, it's like ChatGPT 4, if you really know what I mean. So here, for example, we can ask uh, trick trick to get a free Canva Pro. Let's hit the search. You see, there are several ways to get Canva Pro subscription. One way is to sign up for GitHub Student. You see, when you get this information is really, I want to see more details. You see here, you can also sign up with free Canva Pro if you are using school email address. For example, your email is ending by .edu, .education. You can get that. So it's really amazing to do so. And you see here this tool why it's really good because it search on the internet. It give you a summarized answer. uh, for example, it saves you so much time. Instead of going to spending times watching videos here on YouTube, watching these articles, it gives you a summarized answer, which is really efficient in my view, and it's really helpful. Here you have some subject related to your subject you just searched about, and here you can ask for follow-up if you want to add more question. Here you can summarize, here you can copy this answer, and here, for example, you can add a new trade, so you will search about something else. So this tool, in my view, is really, really crazy. It's way, way better than ChatGPT because ChatGPT is based on a known uh, as AI model trained to answer questions based on the back history, and he learn is a machine learning that is learning from the backside of the users. But here it gives you a summarized answer, and this tool is really to capture everything to save the time on research, which is really great in my view. So the first website I want to search about is Uncle Bunny, which is a robot that is searching about some stuff. For example, you can encodage ici. Qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Peut-être ça. Non, ça marche pas. Ok. Juste une minute, je dois régler les paramètres pour cet enregistrement-là. Merci d'attendre, s'il te plaît. Ok. Mhm. Ok, je dois juste faire ça pour contrôler bien l'enregistrement. Et c'est tout. We will try it. Continue. Top. IE. Uh, as you might know, OpenAI IE has launched ChatGPT, but ChatGPT is the only iceberg, I would say, related to discovering IE and stuff. So there is many tools, many websites nowadays creating really good graphic, good stuff for from IE to the world. So yeah, in this first website, I wanna see what they are displaying, what they are sharing. And this website is gonna give us a product view about a rabbit, I think, you can interact with and you can give commands so it will create for you stuff. All right. So here up to number of views, angle, resolution, mounting. This is really technical, but we'll try to make it easy as it could be. So here it's a software that can lead you some really amazing graphic if you are a graphic designer, if you are using 3D tools. So here it's a really a great for creating this madness of IE. You can share this. Well, the second one is Spline IE. If you have some project making intelligence artificial really going crazy, like those models you see here on the website. So you can create these efficiency models, and based on this, you can create some amazing software, ERP, some really crazy products based on the engine of IE. The last thing here I want to see and I want you to really look at is really crazy is this creating tool that is using the this amazing landscape that you can create on your own by the thing that you want. So, for example, if you are playing Minecraft and stuff, you can try to use some specific really thing that could be here you can see uh, you give a prompt command, for example, make it false, make it snow, make it green, make it something like this, and you boom, you gotta get to it. So it's really amazing tool that I cannot describe it more. It's describing itself. So you can create a really good models here based on 3D stuff. You see, you create house, the inch, much larger house with two floors, two alone. The rest of the street was occupied with similar houses, some large, others small, most recently built. Wow, that's great. Driveways extended beside houses with vehicles parked. You see, you can create really a model. Wow, electricity, electric poles went through the neighbor with rice hanging on. This this could be something really amazing. I cannot believe how much you can create people walking. So only with 3D models.